chicken was it? What happened? Marcel, you gotta tell us what happened. Marcel, tell us what happened. What happened, man? What happened? Marcel, what happened? Come on, buddy. You gotta tell us what happened. Put the link.
Marcel.
That's so many. It's so many ways. Oh, this shit is real.
There's some on a plate right in front of you.
You gotta eat it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Marcel, you just gotta start eating.
We gotta take the chicken to Thomas. We gotta take it to Thomas.
Okay, take that chicken to Thomas. Just don't spill it.
None of that will happen. You come with me. This is your black person's dream. So much shit. Just 60 pieces of chicken.
There are 60 pieces of chicken.